Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 21st, 2025, our system has ranked Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.31. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing a gain of 0.53%. This results in an average return of 0.27% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides in the lower section of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $222.94 be breached, it would initially indicate a slower pace of ascent, and it may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 7.41% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 6.98% to 26.63%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of approximately 43.09% over the next 12 months, with possible returns between 42.53% and 68.84%. This would correspond to a price range of $319.03 to $377.92 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock price up about 0.5% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, the Apple stock price increased by approximately 0.5%, moving from $222.64 to $223.83. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.9%, with a low of $219.80 and a high of $223.98. Over the past 10 days, the stock has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in a decrease of 8.64%. Additionally, trading volume dropped by 32 million shares, with a total of 63 million shares traded, amounting to around $14 billion and $90 million. It is important to note that decreasing volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $260.09, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the stock price is 13.94%, or $36.26, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Apple's stock is grappling with significant challenges as we move into 2025. Recent reports reveal that the company has lost its top position in smartphone sales in China, marking a stark shift after dominating the market since 2016. This loss is indicative of growing competition, particularly from local rivals, which could hinder Apple's revenue growth and overall market position in the short term. In addition to these sales concerns, Apple is facing intensified competition from Samsung's newly launched S25 series, which boasts advanced artificial intelligence features. This could further strain Apple's market share as consumers weigh their options amidst an evolving landscape of smartphone technology. On the investor front, Capital Wealth Planning's Kevin Simpson is increasing his holdings in Apple, suggesting a belief in the company's long-term recovery potential. However, shares of Apple are currently struggling, plunging over 14% due to a wave of analyst downgrades, making it the worst performer in the Dow Jones so far this year. This performance could invoke caution among investors, particularly in light of upcoming earnings reports. While the opening of the Apple Miami World Center offers a new avenue for customer engagement and potential sales, the immediate pressure from declining performance metrics may overshadow this positive development. In the short term, these factors likely weigh heavily on Apple's stock price, while the potential for recovery hinges on its ability to innovate and regain market share. Investors may see current prices as a buying opportunity, but any sustained recovery will depend on Apple addressing these competitive and operational challenges effectively. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned Apple a buy grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 9th of January, 2025, Barclays assigned Apple an underweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, MoffettNathanson assigned Apple a sell grade along with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, Bernstein assigned Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, Daiwa assigned Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen approximately 0.534%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, the trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Additionally, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Apple stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative outlook. There is also a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $230.04 and $243.92. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 169 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $222.91, which may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support level is tested. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.18 between its high and low, equating to 1.90%. In the past week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 2.40%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on January 30th, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.36. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $224.23. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $222.91. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of January in 2025, Parek Kevin made an insider purchase of 36,767 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 16th day of December in 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams executed an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the same day, Jeffrey E. Williams also sold 34,752 shares of common stock. Additionally, on December 16th, Jeffrey E. Williams sold 42,939 shares of common stock. On that same day, he sold 8,384 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, the insider power has been calculated as negative, with a ratio of negative 27.672. In summary, insiders purchased 2,096,037 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Apple stock a good buy? The Apple stock currently exhibits several negative signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Apple will perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. Analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 23rd of January, we expect Apple to open lower by $1.29, starting at $222.54. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.